Hey, Fletcher here, coming at you from my home shop today. So I was sad because my last vendor show of the year had snow on the ground and we couldn't do it. And so I have some items prepared that I wanted to show you today. We are talking about my self-care kits. So these are boxes that contain crystals, candles, bath salts, jewelry, and you have custom ones and pre-made ones. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I already have made today, and if you like them, you can just shoot a little screenshot and tell me which one you like, or you could even claim it in the comments, but just know because of privacy settings, I won't be able to reach out to you. So the best thing to do is send a screenshot and let me know which one you like, or I can make one for you. You just tell me a little bit about who you're shopping for and what they're going through, what their needs are, and I will tap into spirit and ask intuitively of my offerings what will support them the most and build a box. And I have a variety of prices. So what I'm about to show you goes everything to $15 to $136. So if you're ready, we will get started here. Bear with me. Okay, so first I'm going to start with a little table scan here. So this is the $15 section and I have larger boxes in the back. I'm going to give you a zoom in version as well, but I just wanted to let you know a little bit about what we're working with, what we're going to be doing. Again, these are self-care kits that contain crystals, candles, bath salts, and are great for the person who's a little woo-woo and takes care of everybody else and is time to take care of themselves. So our most affordable kits at $15 are with carnelian, red tipped matches, and a red multi-use candle. So this is perfect for the person that needs to have a little bit of a fire lit underneath their butt, someone that's needing a little bit of get up and go. Then we move on to petrified wood and a little bit darker candle. This is great for root chakra work. And it also comes with a sage that's wrapped in orange and cinnamon, which is great for abundance work and protection. So we have our reds in the $15 range. And then I'm going to move into oranges. Now, I don't really have multiples of any of these except for the orange and the carnelian that we just saw. So we had carnelian, petrified wood, and these both contain agate. So this is a little palm stone. This is great for creativity, somebody who is needing a little spark, a little uplifting. Again, this is orange and cinnamon. This is going to be great for second chakra work. So if you're liking these, you'll just take a screenshot and send it to me, or I can make you a custom kit. We're talking about most affordable to most expensive, and right now we're in the $15 section. This one has smoky quartz, a single use, not quite as fast as this. This is like a birthday candle. This one takes more like an hour. So recently, somebody close to me was in the hospital and I gave them a smoky quartz to keep them safe, but also to give them a little oomph to get through it. So now we're moving on to a zesty bath salt, which is an orange and ginger, and a mookaite tumble. This is in the jasper family. So this is very happy, uplifting, somebody that could use a little bit of confidence or a little sunshine in their life. And the last of the $15 kits contains a Larimar tumble. And these are multicolored tip matches. So there's blues and greens in here, even some aquas, and this single-use candle. So you could put this in salt, sand, water, set an intention, light it, bada bing, bada boom, and you're gold. So here, as we get into a little bit more higher range here. I have some themes going on. So our first kit here is called Illuminate, and it has the zesty sea salt that we were just talking about with the ginger and orange. There's no funky stuff in any of my products, all natural. And this one comes with a nice raw clear quartz, which is amplifying to your intentions. So that's why I'm calling this Illuminate, because it's helping to light things up. And here we have a little trio of selenite, each with a bracelet that is lapis lazuli, iolite, and sodalite. And this is the By the Sea candle, which is hydrangea and freesia. Now what we've done is I have a 3-layer system here, depending on your needs. They all have the bracelet. This one has selenite, there's a palm stone. This one has bracelet and satin spar, which is a cousin to selenite, but you can see it is a different texture with the hydrangea candle. And then the last combination, I switched out the crinkle paper here, same bracelet, the selenite, and this one has a lapis tumble that's a square. And it's just a hair more expensive at $37, but still, this is a fantastic gift. So this one is called Wisdom. Here we have Clean Slate and Refresh. So you could always comment, refresh 34, and I would save this for you as well. All right, so you can see some of my bigger boxes in the back. We'll be getting to them soon. Here we have a different bath salt that we have not explored yet, and it's called Soothe. It comes with aventurine and a double terminated amethyst. The Soothe is lavender, mint, and eucalyptus. So this is also very good for abundance and calming down. Now, you can see that there's multiple stones in here. What I've done is created a Reiki meditation library. So if you or somebody that you were giving this to didn't really know how to work with this, they could draw a bath, light a candle, and then plug into any Reiki meditation that they want in my library. And you get that completely for free with any of these self-care kits that are pre-made or a custom one. So here we're moving into one of my favorites, and this is the Love Notes. So we have this in candles and bath salts and rose. I swear if my business had a signature scent, it would be rose. This is the single-use candle. Now this is an Aura Rose Quartz sphere. It's about the size of a walnut. And again, this is all natural products. And here, now we've moved up. This is ruby fuchsite, and it will glow under a black light. You can see that there's some pink areas in there, and they light right up. This one comes with the Love Notes as well. And for fun, I'm calling it Love Bug. So you can claim Love Bug for $44. So these are easy and affordable. And I also offer a subscription quarterly at the $55 rate. Now we're still in the 40s here. This is double terminated rose quartz and the Love Notes candle. I wish that you could smell this right now. So here, we're almost done. This section is a honey calcite, a different piece of a double terminated amethyst. You can see this one a little better, I think, and a nectar candle. See, you can see the real beeswax on top. These are soy candles, so they burn very clean as well. And then the last of our small kits here, this one is $44, and it is celestite and the By the Sea candle. So this one is hydrangea and freesia, and I'm calling it Crisp. So if you're just joining us, then know that you can take a screenshot of any of these and just let me know which one you like, or I'd be happy to make you a custom kit. You can tell me a little bit about your needs and who it's for, price point of your choice, and whether you'll be doing local pickup here in Chestertown, Maryland, or shipping in the United States. Now, wait until you see sultry. This is a sexy kit right here. Here we have a tiger's eye tower, and this you probably have not seen before. It's a new product that I have that is gold, raspberry, and chocolate candle. It is right up there with love notes for me. And this is a holiday candle, so it's actually already sold out. So I am obsessed with this light pink and dark pink crinkle paper. This is absolutely one of my favorite kits, and it is only $58. It comes in a bigger box and comes with a little description card of what it is. So you can comment sultry, or you can send me a screenshot if you would like to claim this kit. So here we are moving on to Vibrance. And this one contains a yellow fluorite tower. It's actually pretty big, but it looks a little smaller here on screen. The nectar candle, and this absolutely gorgeous smudge that is made from lavender, rose, and grapefruit. And you can see the crinkle paper in here is very vibrant, just like the name. I always match the crinkle paper. Well, it's all colors from my logo, but I always match it because of the essence of the kit. So something that's vibrant should have some vibrant colors that are, melding with the essence of it. So here we have Celestial Sea coming in at $68 with the By the Sea candle and bath salt and a piece of celestite. Look at the sparkle on that. If you're just joining me, we are going over self-care kits made from crystals, candles, bath salts that come with a month of my Reiki meditation library that you can use for yourself or someone else. Now this kit is fun. It is our zesty candle, the grapefruit smudge, and this sphere is Apatite and Sunstone, which is a little more rare. Apatite is great for motivation, focus, and new ideas, where the Sunstone is great for having a positive outlook, empowerment, vitality, and self-worth. So if you know somebody that could use some of these qualities, I'm calling this kit Revitalize. If you know somebody that needs to be revitalized, then this kit is for them. Last but not least, here we have our most expensive kit at $136. So I can do any price range from $15 anywhere to you name it. And this one is expensive because of this rotocrochet slab. It is, so right next to the sultry, this is one of my favorites. It's got my favorite crinkle paper cover. It's got my love notes candle and bath salt. So, I don't know. Which one do you like better? Sultry that had the tiger's eye, or Ultra Femme with the rotocrochet? You'll have to let me know. So we're coming to the end of our live now. Just wanted to let you know that I'm offering custom gift sets, self-care kits. So you can order them custom, do shipping in the US and local pickup in Chestertown, Maryland. You can send a screenshot of any of the kits that we have gone over, or just send me a message. You can shop on my website. I've really tried to make it as convenient as possible. So thank you for helping me elevate your health.